not going crazy, but lately my head.
Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Deana. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Must Be the Whiskey.
Seem to be at least 8,000,000 miles apart, and my heart says to love you.
All right, you're going to start with your weight on your left. You're going to point forward with your right toe. Point to the side with your right toe. Then you're going to do a sailor step left. Sailor step. You're going to point that left toe forward. Left toe to the side. Sailor step right. Sailor step. Let's go ahead and put that first count of 8 together. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Hating the mess you've made of yourself, I know I'm chasing rainbows, thinking I could make it.
Section 2, K step. Weight on your left. You're going to step forward at a diagonal with your right. Take the weight. Touch left. Step back left at a diagonal. Take the weight. Bring that right foot back. Step back right at a diagonal. Take the weight. Touch left. Left forward diagonal. Take the weight. Touch right. Let's do that by the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, section 3. You're going to chasse to the right, basically a shuffle. So here it is. You're going to shuffle right. You're going to rock back left, recover right. You're going to chasse to the left, shuffle left. This time you're going to step back with that right foot to a quarter. Step back. Let's go ahead and do that by the count. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8.
Miles apart, and my heart says to love you. My head says to run. It's like
Section 4. Let's go ahead and add on. Your weight is on your left. You're going to rock forward right, recover left, but this time you're going to turn a half and shuffle to your right. So it looks like this. Left, shuffle right. Let's do that by the count. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, let's go ahead and add on. Your weight is on your right. You're going to do the same thing you just did, end up on that wall. So you're going to rock left, recover right, half, shuffle left. Do that by the count. Weight is on your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, time to put the whole dance together. Here we go. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job, everyone. I absolutely love Cody Jinks, so I really hope you like that song. But most of all, hope you love that dance. I'll leave the step sheet in the description below. If you have not done so, please click subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next dance. Thanks for watching.